Hello everyone, welcome today on a Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, July the 20th, 2022, the day after the hottest day of the year. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary, we have a medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. And yeah, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Well, those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, and I've noticed, the publisher has published the word not with double letters or those letters are unique, so no triple E or triple O or double I or whatever. So he's changed the word, otherwise it will be difficult to solve. There are more solutions and you need more time to solve. We have 2 stars, the 3 stars, and a 4-star Sudoku, then a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and in Dutch they call it block, and 1 binary. And those puzzles I'm not interested. So 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. Yeah, and the news of today, well, it's day number 147, war day number 147. 147 days ago the war started in Ukraine. That's the news of today. Yes. Alright, but first we will solve these regular puzzles. And the first one I will do is the binary. The binary number 4878. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Well, 2 minutes already passed. We have here double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then, let me see. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this second row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, and I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So those two boxes should be a 1. Okay. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Between the 1s comes an O. Then, double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1, double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Oh, here, double 1, overlooked. Here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Finish in 7 minutes. Great. Binary. And I like this one, yes, without any comparing. And I like this, yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, a medium Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.